Introduction. Welcome to our podcast on the life of a designer, where we explore the impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on the advertising and design industry. AI has been transforming the way advertising and design professionals work, and in this episode, we'll talk about the implications of AI on the industry, how it's affecting jobs, and what opportunities are available for those who want to stay current. Join us as we discuss the latest industry news, best practices, and expert interviews. Development. Artificial intelligence has become an essential tool for advertising and design professionals. From automating repetitive tasks to analyzing large data sets, AI has revolutionized the way everyday tasks are performed. AI is also transforming the way advertising content is created and distributed. AI-generated ads are becoming more common, and are improving the efficiency and impact of advertising campaigns. But what does this mean for advertising and design professionals? First, AI is changing the skill requirements for these jobs. Professionals must now have skills in data analytics and programming, as well as expertise in more traditional areas such as creativity and design. AI is also changing the way professionals work together. Collaboration with technical teams is becoming increasingly common, as programming skills are needed to integrate AI into creative processes. In addition, AI is helping professionals work smarter. By automating routine tasks, professionals can focus on more complex and creative work. AI is also enabling deeper and more accurate analytics, allowing professionals to make more informed decisions. However, AI also presents challenges. Practitioners must ensure that the algorithms and models used to create advertising content are ethical and do not perpetuate stereotypes. AI can also be used by malicious actors to manipulate consumers and spread false information. Conclusion. In summary, AI is transforming the way advertising and design professionals work. Professionals must adapt to new skill requirements and ensure that the algorithms and models used to create advertising content are ethical. AI offers many opportunities, but also presents challenges that must be addressed. Join us the Live of a Desinger to stay up to date on the latest industry news, best practices, and expert interviews. Subscribe now and join the conversation.